PG Media and promoted Automotive Education Center Inc. Today I'm tasked to give a case study on how SMEs use the SMS to communicate to their customers. So hopefully with my case study I can spark some interest of a local industry, a local company, and how it was able to use the SMS effectively, efficiently, in order to build our market. So, as an SME, please allow me to introduce my company. It's a very small company as compared to the previous presenters. So that you can better appreciate what I'm presenting today. So by nature, the automotive repair industry can be divided into two segments. The first is whether your cars are still under the warranty period, and the second if it's not. If your car is still under the warranty period, you normally go to the CASAs or the OEMs. Okay. They can be easily described as high prices. They usually have a complete line of services. They usually take very long to service your cars. And also, the service turnover is very slow. Now, after your car's warranty is over, normally clients opt to go to independent repair shops like myself. Okay. Now, between automotive repair shops, there's very little differences. You either sell lubes, sell tires, or sell equipment. But normally we can be described as low prices, same quality of service, with very high knowledge of the repairs, but we are able to deliver the service much faster. Now our company was built to focus on the service aspect of the business. Motec was established as a test-accredited school for mechanics, where we produce 40 highly skilled mechanics every year. This is how our company maintains a high-quality workmanship in every shop. With a school of experienced mechanics, Motec has successfully fused its training tradition with a business format that has made our company very successful. So this is how one of our shops is super. Now our strategy can be summarized into one word actually. It's called malasakit. Being Filipino, we chose a very Pinoy word. In English, it's called compassion. Okay, the core values of Motec malasakit. We are always mindful of both the customers and the employees, accommodating to all our guests, create a service environment based on loyalty, be attentive to all the needs and wants of the customer, show sincerity and compassion, be adaptable to the changes in the market needs, always knowledgeable of technological advancements, always maintain integrity and trust with the customer, and always work as a team.